Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom. I get into the kitchen and share with you easy, healthy, family-friendly recipes. Today, I'm going to take a classic and make it super fast and easy thanks to the Instant Pot. We're making Instant Pot potato salad. In this easy recipe for potato salad, the potatoes and eggs cook together, cutting down massively on your prep time. And then they're tossed with a classic mayonnaise-based dressing. No frills here, this is classic potato salad. To start, you want to pour in 1.5 cups of cold water inside your inner pot of your Instant Pot. Next, add in a steamer basket. To your steamer basket, you want to add in 4 cups of chopped russet potatoes. This equals about 4 regular size russet potatoes. Gently nestle 4 eggs on top of your potatoes. This recipe only requires 2 eggs for the potato salad recipe. However, I like to use 4 eggs just in case one were to crack, or so that I can have them later for a snack or to make a quick egg salad. Another tip is to be sure that your eggs are at room temperature. This will really cut down on the chances that your eggs will crack while they're being pressure cooked. Place your lid on your Instant Pot and set cook time for 4 minutes. Now I typically hard boil my eggs in the Instant Pot and cook for 5 minutes on high pressure. This recipe only requires 4 minutes because the Instant Pot has more volume in it, meaning it takes it a little bit longer to come to pressure, hence why we had to decrease the cook time. Once cook time has elapsed, allow pressure to release naturally for 4 minutes. Then hit your vet knob and do a quick release of pressure. Remove your eggs and place into an ice bath. Remove the potatoes and allow them to cool slightly while you make your dressing. In a large mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of mayonnaise. To your mayonnaise, add in distilled vinegar and salt, the chopped onion and the chopped celery, and mix well to combine. Add in peeled and chopped 2 hard-boiled eggs and the russet potatoes. Gently stir to combine and coat all the potatoes with the mayonnaise dressing. At this point, you want to cover your potato salad and place in the fridge for at least 30 to 60 minutes for the flavors to all combine and the potatoes to cool. Now it's time to dig into this delicious classic potato salad recipe. I hope that your family enjoys. And for the recipe and more Instant Pot recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com.